another word. What is it? Socks. Louder. 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 Very good. Okay, let's check the next word. What is it? Socks. Socks. Okay, louder, louder. 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 Very good. Okay, let's go to the next one. What is it?
T-shirt.
Louder.
T-shirt.
Louder.
T-shirt.
Louder. Very good. Okay, good job. My good energy. Yay. Very good. I'll give you another star. Very good. Very good, my. I like the energy. Good job. Okay, look, guess, and say what is under the pillow, a t-shirt or a pair of socks. Look. What is under the pillow? Can you check? Is it a t-shirt? T-shirt. Very good. Very good. Good job. Yay. I'll give you another star. Very good. Very good, my. Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay, you need to drag and say. Drag the clothing into the correct boxes. Okay, so we have t-shirts, okay, and then socks. Grab, my, the correct box for the t-shirts and for the socks. Go. Socks. T-shirt. T-shirt. Very good. Very good. Yay. That's easy, okay? Easy. Okay. Let's proceed with our next page. We will read and let's talk. Are you ready?